talking and starting to get a little exciting for me.
Congratulations, man. I'm still busting that ass.
But I'm gonna bust that ass, baby.
I ain't gonna be able to sleep tonight now.
Crazy! Those are baby strokes.
And that's how I'm gonna bust everybody's ass.
Yo, shit, go to the reverse over there. You see this? This is a cross strap. This is for cars that make real power.
This has two benefits. Listen,
Yo,
this also serves two purposes. This is also when I'm gonna drag your ass with.
Your brother just really tries to bust that ass all the time. You know what I'm saying?
All right, boys, I need you guys to get excited. This is not your regular video. I need you guys to get hyped for my boy Jroc. I'm gonna introduce his new all-motor car. I'm gonna have him introduce it. New to you guys, at least. Shoot my boy some love in the comments, please. Jroc been busting his all year long to get this done. He's finally gonna compete in the pro class. Honestly, I'm super excited for everybody. Jroc, my brother, Jamie, everybody involved is gonna be insane. I gave them a mini introduction. Tell YouTube what this video is about to be about.
I know usually, we do high-end cars here and stuff like that, so I don't want you guys to judge me, but today we're gonna get a little ratchet with my car.
Your car is nice.
Nah, it's not bad. I got it like what, maybe 2 months ago? 2 months ago I bought it from a guy in Florida and then completely tore down the whole car and put my touches on it.
Before we show them the car, I want to hear from you. What's the plans? What's your goal overall? When's the last time you've been in a car?
Last time I've been in a car was like 2 years ago on a pro level. The plans with the car is I want to compete in M1 Pro with big dogs. I don't think the car's gonna do anything special right now because the motor that's in there. I'm just gonna kind of wing it, see what it does, and then after that we'll see where we stand and then upgrade the motor after that. I just want to go out and have a good time with the car and get back in the seat, get comfortable, just have fun.
You always wanted to race all motor pro ever since I've basically known you.
It's kind of weird how it works because I always wanted to race and I can finally race and now I kind of don't want to race. Nah, but it's gonna be good. I'm excited. We were supposed to just do an alignment today and corner balance the car, and then I needed Jamie to put, because it had a pump gas map, I needed him to put an M1 map so I could kind of just move the car around on and off the trailer. And I guess he was with the shits today because he's like, yeah, you want to tune?
We're here.
And we're here right now. You show him the car already?
Nah, I'm gonna show him the car now. I just wanted to get a quick introduction from you. Basically your plans for the season.
Yeah, a lot of late nights making love to the car. Today kind of paid off on the scales.
You busted your ass all month getting this car ready, basically getting it to the weight where it needs to be. What's the weight for people watching, like for M1? Like what's the class?
So the class weight is 1,800 pounds. They just changed it where basically all these events are on the same page. Before it used to be between 1,900 and 1,800 and it was kind of annoying. So everybody came together. It's 1,800 pounds now. But we like to move weight around on the car. That's why I said I'm happy with the weight. The car is super light right now, which means I could then put the weight I need over the front wheels for better traction in 60 foots, and that's how I'm gonna bust everybody's ass.
One last question for you. Events. What events are you gonna make it to this season? Well, it's mid-season now, but
yeah, kind of mid-season. I missed H Day, but the first event for me to go to with this car is Panams, July 13th to the 16th. So if you guys are watching this, make sure you come out. It's at Atco, New Jersey. That, and then after that we got H Day and then World Cup. World Cup is like what I'm really excited about. Like even H Day, I might have the car where I really want it. I'm gonna eventually get the car wrapped with company logos and stuff like that, and have a big boy motor in there and just see what it does.
yeah, I'm excited for you. It's your first World Cup, right? You gonna race?
Yeah, it's been stressful, but honestly, like right now in this moment as I'm talking, it's starting to get a little exciting for me. Just because I'm on the dyno and it's getting closer to racing.
Because me and you went to our first World Cup together, I think like 2018. Yeah, 18, and we never missed one since. Yeah.
Even like it's been hell. It's like just getting dragged in the highway and like a hot day and people kicking you, and it's like the best thing ever. Like that's how miserable it is. We haven't stopped going. I don't plan on stopping going either.
Oh yeah. Let's show them the car.
Yeah, let's show them.
Talk to me. Engine setup.
Right,
you go lightly over it.
Yeah, I go lightly. It's a full PBG transmission, cuffed, brand new casings, just because I don't want any problems. Transmission is like my biggest thing. I don't want any problems with transmissions. So put a brand new case, brand new cables, just went through everything. Car had 5.9s. I put stock axles OEM. The motor is a stock crank motor. It's basically like a Super 99 from 4-piston. I'm not gonna say any horsepower numbers because it's a pro level class. Power is everything and all motor. 70 mil ITBs. It's got an old school Myers header on there. It's alright.
Definitely did your thing on it for sure.
It's not bad. It's
The car,
solid
if you guys would have seen the car when Jroc first got it till now, like he did a shit ton of work in so little time. The car's not exactly where it's gonna be at when he races it. We're just trying to get the car basically dynoed and figured out. Then we're gonna figure he's gonna have to do a windshield, roof, and seat. Those three things we're waiting on, and then wrap.
That's how like last minute it is right now. If he shows you, there's a Type R seat in the car right now. It's literally down to the wire. And I'm going on vacation, so it's like a week gone.
So he has less than a month to test the car, finish the car. That's not that much time left. Walk around the car. Carbon doors, gonna be a carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber seat, fiberglass front, Lexan windows.
FCS rear trailing arms, all brand new.
Extendo.
I got a wing for it, but it's not on.
What kind of wing you putting on here?
That I don't know. Honestly, it's up in the air. I think I'm just gonna leave the OEM wing. It's like everything in all motor is weight, and I don't know. Seems like the OEM wing is the best.
What ECU? You gotta tell the people.
Fuel Tech, come on, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, I even put a recliner in here for Jamie, so he's comfortable tuning.
Car looks good. Strange front brakes. Welding pump. I should be getting a dyno shortly. So our plan is to tune the car, get it pretty much dialed in. I'm gonna go testing. Hopefully, we're gonna go testing together. Hopefully, I'm gonna give you a car and
my race.
I give you a car and the leave. Let's get this dyno started. The dyno first hit. What do you think?
Crazy that's a first hit and it just did that.
Insane. We weren't even expecting that.
I'm ready to load up. I'm good with that.
Yo, what you gotta say, Jroc?
Those are baby strokes.
Jroc's M1's car is out. How long have you known Jroc, and how long have you wanted to race for?
Jroc's been, I don't know, I always lose track of how long Jroc's been with us. We knew Jroc as soon as we got this shop, so about like 6-7 years, I'd say, right? So ever since Jroc started with us, I kind of give you guys the backstory. Jroc used to work at Honda, you know, a long time ago, a little while ago or whatever.
A while ago.
So he used to work at Honda, and then me and my brother, obviously, we buy and sell cars, and Honda hosts like an auction. So we used to always go buy cars from this auction. I'll go into the story. It's kind of funny how we met Jroc. Anyways, so we always used to buy cars from this auction at Honda, and then one day my brother buys this van, and I guess he needed an alternator or something like that. So
he was the only tech that wanted to even bother to help me.
So you know, most of the guys that work at dealerships are kind of like assholes, or you know, when they're, well, I get it, they're working, right? And then we bought a car from the auction. It's like you kind of deal with your own car. But anyways, Jroc came out, helped him out. So then my brother comes back to me, he's like, yo, I met this dude at Honda. He said it seemed like a good tech and this and that, right? He could do like some side work or whatever. So I was like, all right, cool. So then he was doing some side work for us and this and that. And then we kind of started becoming friends that way and hanging around with each other more. I remember the first time we took Jroc to the track, it was with the turbo car, right? And back then it was just me and my brother. I'd work on the cars most of the time back then, right? So then we go to the track. So I'm expecting, oh, cool, we got a mechanic with us. He's gonna help us out, right? So we go to the track. Yo, that day, I'm not gonna lie, that must have been the fucking worst day of my life with that car. Like, that car usually smooth. That day, I went through hell. I'm like, we brought a mechanic with us, and I'm working the car by myself, and Jroc is watching me. So after we went home that day, I said, yo, he's a fucking mechanic. I said, no way he's a fucking mechanic.
Yo, Jroc was in the trailer, feet kicked up, yo, just chilling, yo.
So I was like, I was like, no way the fucking mechanic, you gonna work on shit, right? And then I was like pissed, not like pissed, but obviously it's not his car. I get it. He didn't want to work on the car.
He didn't want to be liable for something that happened, whatever, for the car. Like he let us, our own car, he let us work on it.
Yeah, so as time went on, and then we had him work on this MDX, I remember. He had to put an engine in that car, right? He put the fucking engine in his driveway.
Yes.
If you guys know, a 2008 MDX, that thing is fucking big.
Yes.
You have to drop the cradle from the bottom to take the motor out. The motherfucker dropped the engine from the bottom in his driveway. And mind you, it's an inclined driveway at that. I'm like, yo, this dude's a beast. I said, we need him on our fucking team. I said, make it happen. I said, bro, we need this dude.
Yo, next thing you know, I was at Jroc's job. We put his tool car on the fucking trailer, and it was history since then. Yo, Jroc, if you're watching this, we love you, bro. I wouldn't even know where we'd be at today with Jroc. Like, all of us, the whole team, man, it's insane.
Like
But that's how we met Jroc.
Yeah, we built a lot of cars, and then when Jroc came on, I remember building our race cars in our backyard, right?
Before having any of this,
anything.
like Jroc's been here with us since the beginning, before the shop, before all that. Like we were working out of my house.
We were building our race cars on the floor, no lift, no nothing. And I remember that time your motor car got built on the floor. We were building 4 cars at the time on the floor. It was a black all-motor car, your all-motor car, Jroc's car, and my white car. 4 cars at that time.
And remember, first car to ever go 8s in history, stock chassis, all-motor, came out of my house garage before the shop even came through.
I wish we would have had YouTube back then. I'm sure someone can throw in a few clips of the cars being built back then.
We gotta get back on the dyno because we're at noise ordinance.
Here. 2019, right?
That's crazy.
I'll kind of go back in the story after this.
The camera. Yo, crazy. I can't announce the horsepower number, but insane. I'll tell you guys why we can't announce the horsepower. There's so much competition in this M1 shit.
I gotta show my tuner some love.
Alright, I got you. Yo, he just kissed.
Wait a minute.
Yo, he just kissed the tuner.
Just the tuner.
Yo, big pause. You got a bad motherfucker. Props to you. Yeah, how do you think Jroc feel right now?
I'm happy for him, though. I think
Me too. He's been down a long road, bro.
So I think when he go to the track, he really gonna do what he gotta do. I'm rooting for him, though. I'm gonna have to come to the track with y'all.
Yeah, you have to.
I'm about to drive the golf cart.
We got
here.
the right third car for him. He finished this one. He can finally like go race on Motor Pro.
They're all out there at the same time.
Yeah.
Man, it's gonna be CT rules, baby.
Yeah, what you guys say to Jroc?
Congratulations, man. I'm still busting that ass though on some real shit.
Yeah, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. Yo, Jamie, that's a wrap. You did your damn thing as always. Killed it.
I ain't gonna be able to sleep tonight now.
We came here like expectation, like kind of what it's gonna make, and it passed that.
Way past.
I'm like so happy with the power this car made. The engine's so simple. Some shit that you can buy online, like next day engine type of deal.
Now we just see what it does.
If you need me to drive, I know you've been out the seat for a little
I know
bit.
it's the channel, but let's not get disrespectful.
He made some good power. Let's pick up where we left off at. Yeah, so we left off at, we built our cars in the garage at the time. Jared got his car out, I got my car out, and he started racing. And then, you know, life kind of goes on and takes its toll on you or whatever. I had got rid of my car, he had got rid of his car, you know, more so to make a better future for himself pretty much. So when Jroc started, he's always had a love for cars, he always had a love for racing, he always loved coming to the track with us, supporting us. So now to like fast forward and come back and actually see him with another car and that he's about to be out again, like even seeing him smile on the dyno, man, that just means a lot, just because I know how much he loves racing. He always tells me how much he loves racing and how much he wants to race with everybody, and especially in the M1 class. So to see him finally gonna be out in the class with us racing, it feels really, really good. And I'm proud of him. I'm looking forward to see him compete and see what he runs. You know?
Yeah, me too. And the greatest part about this, I don't know if a lot of you guys got kids or not. Jroc's son's coming with him to the track, to Panams. My brother's son's going with him to the track too. So it's gonna be dope, you know, especially you can race in front of your kids. It's a different experience. I know that it means so much to him. It means so much to my brother that you can bring your son with you to the track, watch you compete, because they get so excited around these cars. It's just amazing.
It's a lifestyle, man. When you have a true passion for these cars, like whether you're racing cars or whether you're building cars, you just love, man. And it doesn't matter if you're the fastest person out there. It's just the best part is being out there with your friends, being out there with your families, just making memories, you know, out there having fun, putting on for you guys, and that's what it's all about, you know.
You shout out Jroc. So Jroc, if you're watching this, bro, I'm proud of you.
Proud of you, Jroc. I love you, but I'm gonna bust that ass, baby.
Before we close this video out, I gotta tell you again, bro, I am proud of you. I haven't seen you smile like that. Yo, I ain't gonna lie to you guys.
Honestly, bro, like
this shit made me smile.
Yeah, because you've been with us for a while, and I know when you're happy, and I can see that you're happy, and I'm proud of you.
Yeah, this has been a long time coming.
We ain't done yet.
We're not done yet. This is just the beginning. To see something finished, the car's not completely finished, but to see something successful dyno session for one, that's a big relief off your shoulders. Huge shout out Jroc, huge shout out Jamie, huge shout out everybody, man. I love the car. If you guys made it this far in the video, I need you guys to all drop in the comments. Jroc's first outing's coming up soon. How fast do you think Jroc will go? I can't wait to see him out there. If you guys are in the local area, just please come out to the event. We're going to Pan Americas, we're going to the next Honda Day, and we're going to World Cup Finals. Those 3 events for sure. All these guys will be there because they are going to compete in the class. So I hope to see you guys there. Show some love in the comments. What you guys say before we end this video?
I love you guys.
See you guys later.
It's a good shit. Punish it.